Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to continue with part 2 of the previous video. So we are going to start with vowels. We are going to talk about vowels and the subject je. Vowels and the subject je. The subject je takes J apostrophe in front of verbs starting with vowels. For example, arriver. Arriver is a verb of the first group. It takes ER at the end. So when we conjugate the verb arriver, we don't say je arrive. What we say is j'arrive. The je becomes J apostrophe and arrive. J'arrive. Also, we have the verb étudier. Étudier ends with ER. It is a verb of the first group. So, when we conjugate the verb étudier, the je, the subject je, becomes J apostrophe because étudier starts with a vowel. I. Étudier. So it takes the normal formula of which we remove the ER and we have the stem and we add the endings and the je becomes J apostrophe. And during conjugation, je is the only subject that changes during conjugation from je to J apostrophe. All the other subjects, they remain the same. Another important part is the negative part. Negative in French language. So how do we do the negative form in the French language? When constructing a sentence, we put the ne first, then we put the conjugated verb, then we put par. Let's take for example the verb manger. Manger ends with ER. It is a verb of the first group. So when we say je ne mange pas, the ne comes first, then we put the verb conjugated already and we put the pas. Je ne mange pas. That is the negative form. Another example is je ne chante pas. The verb chanter, it ends with ER. It's a verb of the first group. We conjugate it. Je, the ne comes first. Chante, then pas. Je ne chante pas. I don't sing. I don't sing. Je ne chante pas. That's the negative form. Another example, let's use the verb danser, to dance. Danser ends with ER. It is a verb of the first group. Vous ne dansez pas. Vous ne dansez pas. Vous is the subject, ne the negative, then the verb danser comes already conjugated, then pas. Vous ne dansez pas. We also have these other exceptions still under the verbs of the first group, we have the verb acheter and the verb préférer. The verb acheter and the verb préférer, they all end with er. They are all verbs of the first group. Let's see what happens with these two verbs. When we conjugate these two verbs, acheter and préférer, some parts of the stem will change. That is, the spelling will change and another part will not change. The same applies with préférer, acheter and préférer. We are going to see where the stem changes in spelling and not at all levels. Same with the préférer. Conjugate the verb acheter, we notice that at the first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, and the third person plural, the verb acheter takes an accent. But at the first person plural and at the second person plural, there is no accent on the verb acheter. Let's conjugate it and see. J'achète, tu achètes, il ou elle achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, il ou elle achète. We discover that at the first person singular, the second person singular, the third person singular, and the third person plural, you see an accent on the E. But at the first person plural and second person plural, no accent on the E. You see the changes that takes place on the stem with the verb acheter. Now, let's talk about the verb préférer. The verb préférer ends with er. It is a verb of the first group. So, when we conjugate the verb préférer, we notice that at the first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, and the third person plural, we have the two accents, the two is accent grave and accent aigu. Let's conjugate the verb préférer. Je préfère, tu préfères, il ou elle préfère, nous préférons, vous préférez, il ou elle préfère. So notice that at the first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, and third person plural, we have the accent grave and accent aigu on the two is. But at the first person plural and second person plural, we have just the same accent on the two is. Another exception with the verbs of the first group, verbs ending with er, we have verbs ending with g, er, and verbs ending with c, er. These two verbs, they have exceptions. Let's see what happens with them. Verbs ending with ger and verbs ending with cer, which are all verbs of the first group, they have a spelling change at the nous level, that is, at the first person plural. At the first person plural, which takes the subject nous, they have a different spelling. The verbs ending with ger and the verbs ending with cer. They are all verbs of the first group. They end with er and they are regular. But we have this exception where at the first person plural, at the level of nous, the spelling changes, but the endings still remains the same. The verb manger at the first person plural where we have nous mangions, the stem changes at that level. Instead of us having M, A, N, G, we have an E added to the stem and the endings O, N, S. It becomes nous mangions. Nous mangions. But at the first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, second person plural, and third person plural, the stem remains the same. But at the first person plural, the stem changes. An E will be added at the stem. Then we have the ending ONS. Nous mangions. Nous mangions. Now let's talk about the verbs ending with CER. We take, for example, the verb commencer. Commencer ends with CER. It is a verb of the first group. So commencer, to begin. To begin. Commencer at the first person plural at the level of nous. The C at the stem takes a cédilla, which becomes commencions. Let's conjuguer the verb commencer. Je commence. Tu commences. Il ou elle commence. Nous commencions. Vous commencez. Il ou elle commence. We notice that the endings remains the same with all the subjects. But at the first person plural where we have nous, the C takes a cédilla. So the stem changes at that level. Why? Because the stem at the first person plural, C takes a cédilla and it becomes commencions. With verbs of the first group ending with ER in French language, we have more exceptions and we are going to see them in our next video. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe and click on like. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thank you. À la prochaine. Ciao.